Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to print Wishlist Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to print Wishlist Amazon Shopping on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on your list section. Tap the list you want to change. Well, here you will enter your list menu. Next, tap on the three-dot menu section here. The fund will appear a scrolling menu below. Here there are two options. Tap Print List. You can see this is the result of printing the wishlist on my Amazon Shopping account. So that's it, tutorial how to print Wishlist Amazon Shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.